Hey everyone. Welcome to the channel. We will guide you on how to block Facebook calls. So, let's get started. Start by opening the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Find the conversation thread with the person you want to block calls from and tap on it. Tap on their name or profile picture at the top of the conversation to access their profile options. Scroll down until you see the option to block the person. Tap on Block or block messages and calls. A confirmation pop-up might appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Tapping Block or block messages and calls again will finalize the block, preventing that person from calling you via Facebook Messenger. And there you have it. You can easily block Facebook calls from someone by following these simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.